What's up, guys? For today's video is gonna go pretty fast because I got a shower and I gotta go to sleep for work tomorrow. But we're gonna be talking about the new Bloodlust. It came out in March. It is the 3rd right now. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about my 5 least favorite eyeshadows in this palette. This one was kind of hard because I did love almost all of them. I was like really struggling to find like 4 and 5 for it. Okay, so number 1 is going to be. Let's stop. See. Okay, so number 1 is going to be Your Majesty. It is the white, and it's like a good white, but like I don't use it, so it's like not for me, you know. It is very good formula, but it's just not a color that I would want. So it's not even like the worst, it's just the ones that I don't like. So I love this one, Sworn Enemy. I don't know why. It's like a nice metallic, but like the thing with me is that I don't like dark metallics, if that makes sense. Cause like for me, I usually like my metallics to be like bright and impactful, and that's just not it. It's just it doesn't give me enough pow for it, so that's why that one I didn't like. Okay, Hiking. I love Hiking, but it was a struggle to find like honestly, I don't know. Okay, let's skip that. Monarchy, it's a good shade too, but it's just too neutral for me. Um, yeah, I just want more color if that makes sense. Like I can find a brown somewhere else if that makes sense. I love Vile Serpent. Mmm, it's such a struggle. Probably, if I had to, Vile Serpent is like one of the most least consistent ones. Um, that's when you kind of have to build. It's a good color. It's just I don't know why I decided to make this video. I don't know. It's so hard. Okay, so Your Majesty, Sworn Enemy, Monarchy. I was gonna say Bleeding Heart, but this is a good red, and like it's supposed to be like a satin, but this satin you can blend out so well, and you can barely even see that there's shimmer to it. Um, Honestly, okay, I got it. Your Majesty, Sworn Enemy, Monarchy, Vile Serpent. It's just like it's a cool color, but it's just like one that you have to build up, kinda. I mean, that's pretty good, honestly. I don't know. It's such a good color. But for sure, what's that? Yeah, that's 5. Or no, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last one is gonna be Betrayal. So this shade is good, but like that's crazy. The only reason that this is one of my not favorite shades is because it's essentially Pink Magic, which is his new formula. It's like that glittery. It's basically this shade, but like toned down. Compared to that looks metallic, that looks matte. But this is one of the satin ones, and I'm just like not a fan. Hmm. Yeah, but those are gonna be my top 5 least favorite shades. Dang, this video was so fast. So Your Majesty, just because I never use like this kind of shade, because I never set like my concealer or anything. Sworn Enemy, I just didn't like the consistency of it. I thought I would, but I don't know. Just not a fan of this. It's too weird. Then Monarchy, too basic for me. And then Vile Serpent. Oh, God damn it. I don't know. Yeah, Vile Serpent would have to be. Just because it's not like as impactful as the other shades. And then Betrayal just reminds me of Pink Magic, just like toned down. Which I don't know why I would need that. I wish this was like a different, like a. I was gonna say. Like, I wish he did like these sparkly shades, but like a lavender. Like this color. Oh my god, I would have died. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this. Oh my god, that freaking hurt. Oh, shit. Anyways, guys, this is the end of this video. Yeah, guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Love you guys.